Hi, welcome back to my tiny kitchen. Learn how to make this iconic Thanksgiving pie, spiced pumpkin filling with pecan nuts, and an idea on how to serve it as a plated dessert. These are the ingredients for the shortcrust pastry. The recipe is in the description. Start by adding the plain flour to a medium mixing bowl, followed by the butter. Rub together until you no longer have any large lumps of butter. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell for more weekly videos. Then add in the cold water. You would need between 3 to 4 tablespoons of it, and mix together to form a smooth dough. Wrap and flatten the short crust pastry with cling film. Then place in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes or until firm. Roll out the short crust pastry on a lightly floured surface to about 4 mm thick. Then place in a pie tin, cover with baking paper and fill with baking beans. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the sides begin to brown. Remove the baking beans once the case has cooled down to prevent shrinkage. These are the ingredients for the spiced pumpkin filling. Scatter the pumpkin onto a baking tray. Drizzle with oil. And mix together. Then bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the pumpkin is lightly colored and cooked through. Add the pumpkin to a mixing bowl and then mash. Once smooth, mix in the eggs and dark brown sugar. Then mix in the double cream, followed by the mixed spice and maple syrup. Fill up the pie case. And bake in a preheated oven at 150 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Carefully remove from the oven and place on the pecan nuts. Then return to the oven and bake for a further 15 to 20 minutes or until the pie has set. To plate the pie as a plated dessert, these are the things you'd need. The list is in the description. For the brandy snap, you'd need the following ingredients. It is really easy to make. Simply mix all of the ingredients until smooth. Spread out the brandy snap mix onto a silicone mat to about 1 mm thick. Then bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 7 minutes or until light amber in color. Leave the brandy snap to cool and firm up on the tray before using. For plating as a dessert, smear pumpkin puree onto a plate. Then add a slice of the pie, whipped vanilla cream, broken shards of the brandy snap, and caramelized pecan nuts. And there you have it, a perfect plated dessert for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Thank you so much for watching.